Today I'm making a faux apple pie using watermelon rind. The filling does not slump, so it remains a pretty good consistency throughout. And the texture is good as well. It makes a good cost-effective substitute for apples and uses up, some stuff that would normally go in the trash or the compost bin. I had the idea for this about a couple months ago when I was making the watermelon pickles. The texture reminded me of cooked apples, and that stuck in my brain, so that's why we're here. All right, we just want to peel off the green. Be careful, it's not easy. This little peeler I have is pretty sturdy, so it's just able to rip right through it. But just get the green part off, leave the white, and don't go too deep. So the rind has almost no taste, but once it's boiled down, it's pretty much gone. But it's pretty much a blank canvas or a sponge. It's going to absorb whatever spices you put in it. So if you're looking to bulk up, if you only have a few apples, you can always substitute in the rind after it's boiled. The good thing I'm finding about this is that it doesn't slump. The watermelon rind are boiled for an hour and then another 45 to 55 minutes in the pie, and they're still not firm, but they still have a texture to them. They haven't broken down like an apple would, so they're not going to create a void. If you baked a lot of apple pies, sometimes you pile your filling high, it's beautiful, it's domed, and then in the oven, all the apples just disintegrate, and you're left with a void in the pie. But that doesn't happen here. All right, my portable gas stove stopped working, so I'm transferring it to the regular stove now. This has been going for about 45 minutes, and I'm going to add some sugar and some cinnamon and a little bit of nutmeg. All right. Half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Teaspoon ginger. A little bit later. Okay, so those have changed colors now. That tells me they're cooked. They've taken on some of the spice. It smells good. So I'm going to let these cool down. Almost looks like fish. I think if somebody was to be industrious, use a kombu broth and season this in a savor manner, this would be a very good fish substitute. You could even do a poke recipe with this. It's pretty much a blank canvas. There's not much taste to the rind, so whatever you splice it as should come through. Just the way that's shaped, put over some rice, a little sashimi. I think for a full pie, that is a little bit light, so I'm going to have to do the same to this one. But this is going to go in the fridge. I'll do this one tomorrow. Okay, flour and butter in here, 90 grams of ice water here, and I'm going to blitz this up and then go from there. Alright, so I've got chunks of butter about the size of BBs. Now I'm going to drizzle in a little bit of water so it comes together. Alright, so that looks good. It's in a workable state. I'm just going to form this into one ball, divide it, shape it, and put it back in the fridge. I want as little hand time as possible because your hand will start to melt the butter. Since pineapple skins lack sweetness, it's pretty much a blank slate, I'm going to add in a little bit more sugar than I would for apples. Not much, but cinnamon, nutmeg, half a teaspoon, ginger, juice of 1 lime, and a little bit of vanilla. And you need a pinch of salt. See your specks of butter. That looks good. That'll go in the freezer for dumplings or turnovers. Hoping this sets up. It's awful soupy. Supposed to dot the inside of butter. All right. All right. Anyway, I'm gonna let this cool down, set up a little bit, and then I'll try to cut it later. All right. Let's see if this worked. First piece out is always ugly. It held together. Huh. Oh, it held together beautifully. Look at that. That is watermelon rind pie. Hopefully it tastes as good as it looks. That works. Holy crap. I am so happy this little weird idea I had worked out. And now I have something that I can pull from my arsenal when I'm short on apples. Anyway, thanks for sticking around. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe if you can. And hasta.